In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the cowboy song, Goodbye Old Paint. Let's go to the piano. Let's start with the melody in the first two measures. You'll play A, G, A, C with right hand using your fingers 5, 4, 5, 1. It sounds like this. A, 1, 2, A, 1, 2. Now you try it. Great. Did you notice that I didn't count with the phrase half note? Now that you've started with level 3, we're switching to the way professional musicians count. With this counting system, you'll need to know what beat the note starts on and how long it lasts. The half note in measures 1 and 2 start on beat 1 and last for 2 beats. You'll count 1, 2. I'll show you what to do one time and then you can try. A, 1, 2, A, 1, 2. Now you try counting it. Terrific. For the bass clef notes, you'll play F, E, F, E with left hand fingers 2, 3, 2, 3. It sounds like this. F, 1, 2, F, 1, 2. It's your turn. Awesome. With both hands together, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you go for it. Terrific. Let's try the next phrase. You'll play A, G, E, D, C with right hand fingers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It sounds like this. A, G, E, D, 1, 2. Now you try it. Way to go. The bass clef notes here begin after 2 beats of rest. You'll play G, F, E, G, A, G, C. Using the fingers 1, 2, 3, 1. Cross your 2 finger over 2, 1, 5. It sounds like this. G, F, E, G, A, G, C. You give it a try. Fantastic. Now let's put both hands together. To help you put both parts together correctly, I'll say together when I'm playing notes together and right or left when I'm striking keys with the fingers of just one hand. A, G, together, 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 G, A, G, C. Now it's your turn. Awesome. The next 4 measures are almost identical to the measures you've already learned. The only difference is what happens at the beginning and the end of the bass clef part. Let's practice the bass clef part. You'll play C, E, F, E, rest, rest, G, F, E. Using left hand fingers 5, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It sounds like this. C, 1, 2, F, 1, 2, rest, rest, G, F, 1, 2. Now you try it. Great. Now the right hand here is the exact same as the last phrase, so let's try putting them hands together. Together, 1, 2, together, 1, 2. A, G, together, 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 2. Now you go for it. If playing the whole thing at one time is challenging, pause this lesson and practice each hand separately at least 3 times, very slowly, and then try it again. That's it for the A section. The B section is next, and it's 4 measures long. Let's start by learning the melody. You'll play C, 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 E, D, E, D, C. Using right hand fingers, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. It sounds like this. 1, 2, C, 1, 2, C, E, D, E, D, C. Now it's your turn. Awesome. The rhythm for the bass clef part is exactly the same. You'll play E, 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 G, F, G, F, E. Using left hand fingers, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It sounds like this. 1, 2, E, 1, 2, E, G, F, G, F, E. You try it. Let's put both parts together. 1, 2, 1, 2. You go for it. Terrific. The last A section is a short A section. It's exactly the same as measures 1 through 4. I'll play those measures to help you remember what the previous measures sound like, and then you can try. Now it's your turn. Way to go. Here's what Goodbye Old Paint sounds like all the way through.